Glam with all things glam. Welcome to BuildABitch Workshop. This is video number 18. So today I'm going to try my best to take you out with me to go get a DIMPLEPLASty. Now I don't know that the doctor's going to allow you all to come in while he's doing the actual procedure, but I'm going to do my very best so that I can show you guys what goes on within that process, the beginning and the end, and some of the middle, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so I'm trying to get my bearings together, y'all. I'm too old for this shit. Alright. The first time I did a DIMPLEPLASty, I was back to work. Cool, chilling, no problems. This time my motherfucking face hurts. It hurts bad. But it's not a terrible pain. So we went in for a round 2. I went to the same doctor, Dr. Kim in Atlanta. If you all want to know who he is, excuse me. If you all want to know who he is, just hit me in my email and discuss it, and I'll put you on. Anyway, I went in for my second round, and yeah, they look like they're deep as of now, but that does go away, and they should only come back when I smile. Well, that's how mines do. Different faces, different tissues in people's face do different things. So, extremely drowsy. I done had a cocktail, grape juice, cocktail of grape juice with a slight concoction, and that's simply to make me feel better and higher and drunker. Yeah, all those things. But I just thought that I would follow up with you all on the same day of, so that you can see how tired I am. And I do think it's more so tired from all of the other, get back there, Billy. I do think that it's more so tired from all of the other things that I do throughout the day. This just plays a part in it. When you have a procedure, it drains you sometimes. This drains me. But again, I will follow up with you guys tomorrow so you can see the progression. When the swelling has gone down, it's gone down a lot, but when the swelling has gone down a bit more, you'll be able to see more of the dimple effect. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so all my personal dollies, I will see you shortly. So this is about 24 hours in. As you can see, this side is still really swollen, you all, because I had a lot of scar tissue there, because the first time I got it done, it took really well there. It did not here. So I don't have nearly as much pain here as I do here. Now let me share this with you all. The first time that I got this done, I didn't have any pain. I was cool. It didn't hurt. I went right back to work doing everything that I was doing. But this time I had to rest. So the second time around, because of the scar tissue, it is painful. I couldn't even get any sleep last night. And I was like, oh, this will be cool because, you know, 5 years ago, well, I'm 5 years older. And again, this is round 2. Also, the first time it didn't stay swollen for I think maybe 2 days, the swelling was had gone down generously. But this time around, as you can see, I look like a dog by the night. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That footage that y'all just watched was probably about 8 months old. I wanted to try to at least get a good year in so you can see what dimples look like after they have been sitting for quite a while, simply because I've had this done 2 times. So this is what we're left with. Can you see them? Look, y'all. The dimpleplasty versus having the piercings, I don't know that it's worth the money, because the first time you go, if you get both sides done, you spend $1,000, and the second time you spend $700, somewhere like roughly between $1,500 and then $700 to $1,000 the first and the second time. But I don't know that they last a very long time, and to have to get them done a second time is really questionable. I do see the girls getting the piercings, which is probably like, I don't know, $50 and $50, maybe cheaper than that. I don't know where piercings are. And it leaves an imprint, but it's a permanent imprint. So it doesn't come when you make a face, like so, or when you smile. Let me get into this up. So I have moved, guys, into a lovely home since you all last saw me, maybe? I don't know, but I know y'all hear that pool. It's dope. I'll show you. I feel like it was a really long winter, so my like tropical banana tree has not grown back in yet, but it's coming, y'all. It's coming. I hope y'all can hear me over the waterfall. Anyhow, I would probably advise, if it's something that you're wanting that's permanent, you do not spend your money here. Simple as that. I mean, fuck it. If I had it to do all over again, I would definitely do it. Why? Because I like to do procedures. But I want to keep you all as informed as possible when it comes to these different damn procedures that you can do. That is my goal, ultimately, to keep you all informed. And I know that you all see that I've done something different with my face. That'll be on video 19. I'm going to take you through the whole procedure again. So this year, I'm trying to give you all more procedures and like allow you to see the procedures in process if possible, little porcelain dollies, so we can get this shit all together, so we can be looking fucking fly. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Oh, I'm really feeling myself. I'm really feeling myself. I do like the way it makes my cheeks look when I make a certain face, but I just wish that they would stay when I smile. I know that everybody's different, and I have seen some girls who have gotten them done one time, and it actually lasts, and it stays, and it's cute, and it comes when they smile. It does what it's supposed to do, but you have to keep in mind that a dimple is an imperfection. So, with that said, who wants imperfections? I did. But I hope you all are enjoying these videos. I, again, am trying to keep you all up to date with everything that I'm doing. It's getting kind of hard because I'm super busy, so I don't really know where I'm going to be able to pull a camera out and just kind of film unless I'm home, like I am now, so that we can get down to the motherfucking business. I don't think that I will be doing this a third time though. Like, that's it. The healing process for this one, the second time around, oh fuck, listen, it was brutal, y'all. Like, it was painful. The first time I did it and I was able like to go back to everything that I was doing that same day, like go back to working and everything. This second time around, no, I was like in bed, I was in pain, I was medicated, like it was just so different. And I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or it's the scar tissue. I'm not getting older, bitches, I'm getting better. It's the scar tissue. So once you do it the first time, you have to keep in mind that like with any piercing, there's gonna be scar tissue, and you have to pierce through that scar tissue in order to re-pierce it. So a third time for me, no, whatever I have is what I have. I will be darker in my tattoo though. For the next 2 videos, I am going to keep well, I'm gonna try to keep like all the makeup off of my face and just anything that's enhancing, because these are face procedures. And I want y'all to get the full effect of what a face procedure looks like versus me giving you something that's a little filtered, because the filter would be quite a lot, and that's not what this page is about. So I will get into my rhino eyebrow and lip lift on the very next video. As always, I really appreciate you all for spending time with me. I do have to give a disclaimer because I am not a doctor. I'm not a fucking licensed, well, I don't want to say I'm not licensed to anything, because I am licensed in a few things. But procedures is not one of them. This is just something that I do because I like to. So you all will have to do your own research, dig a little deep, look for answers, go to Google University, and figure things out, and actually consult with some doctors, y'all. Like, really consult with these doctors and find out who does what, so you can get the best bang for your buck, and so that you can look your very best when you're spending your money. I know y'all noticed that I got a little thicker, and I'm liking that shit straight up. But I am going to shave some pounds off, and it's going to be via exercise. It will not be via procedure, because procedure-wise, my body, I'm where I want to be. But there's always maintenance. Again, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Please like, share, follow. I do appreciate you all. Until next time.